How to buy USDT in CoinDCX. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently at our homepage. And what we're going to look at is we're going to look over here below. As you can see, we have invest as our option. So simply click on invest, and in this page, you will be able to see all kinds of categories. So simply scroll down a bit and you should be able to find a category labeled large cap. Over here, simply open your large cap and then scroll down and you should be able to find USDT or Tether and simply select that option. You will be able to see the charts, the graphs, and the option buy and sell. And to be able to buy, of course, just simply select buy. And over here, you will be able to see the estimated buying price. Simply enter how much rupees do you want to purchase, and it will give you an equivalent in USDT and how much you will be able to receive, of course. After that, simply click on next and then simply swipe to buy, and then you should be able to buy your USDT in CoinDCX. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.